guys, HK Strong Side here. It's been a long time since I've put up a video. So I got this brand new Tacoma recently. This is 20 years in the making, and I thought it would be fun to do a quick video on a little upgrade that I want to do. And that's this Tacoma badge. It goes right here. And they make a couple different kinds. They make some that are just vinyl stickers, and then they make these, which are actually plastic, and it's more like what you would get as an actual emblem and badge. You can see how thick it is, and that just sits right inside the grooves on the Tacoma. So we're gonna go ahead and put that on, and it should be really easy. So here we go. I've already gone ahead and cleaned the area really well, washed it and used a cleaner. The manufacturer of this badge says to use some denatured alcohol as well to fight through any wax or any buildup that has been put on there. The truck's only a few weeks old, so I went ahead and just used some cleaner. I don't have any denatured alcohol. Hopefully it'll stick just great. What we're going to do is this will be stuck on like that. So we will put this up here like this, and we're going to peel the backing paper off. The wind's blowing a little bit, so I'll do this quickly. We don't want anything sticking to our letters. We're going to come down here, we're going to line up the C and the O, and all the other letters should just fall into place. Look at them, make sure everything's where you want it. That looks pretty good. Go ahead and press down on the letters. Seat them nice and tight. Those are sticking really, really well. Give it another press with this cloth, just even it out. We're gonna peel this off. Whenever I like to peel a sticker, I pull it down on an angle directly to where it's stuck to, so that it doesn't lift whatever it is you're trying to leave. That looks pretty awesome. Oh yeah, I like that. Oop. Give it another press. This looks really nice. This is a cheap upgrade, so I bought this on Amazon. Cost $39. The brand was, I don't remember, Eye Catcher, I believe. There's several different versions, but this looks pretty good. All right, I really like it. Let's get in for a closer look. Looks nice. It raises up, so it's not just a sticker. Looks pretty sharp. Yeah, I like it. That looks good. Really makes the back pop. The tailgate looks sharp now. Love it. Tacoma. I think it looks awesome. What do you guys think? Thumbs up, you like it? Not? Super easy install. I think it does a lot for the aesthetic of the back of the truck. Looks really good on the cement gray. Piece of cake. I didn't do any prep other than just cleaning it. You saw me put it on. Just took a couple minutes. Easy. 39 bucks on Amazon. Yeah, go for it. Anyway, I hope to do more videos here soon. Lots of outdoorsy stuff. I actually have shot probably 10 videos that are still need to be edited over the years. I just haven't really done much on the channel. I apologize, and I hope to do more. I appreciate you watching my videos. I know there are a lot of choices out there, and a gajillion Tacoma videos, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch mine. It means a lot to me, and hope to see you more in the future. This is HK Strong Side. We'll talk to you later.